Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Monavwa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to know what Raast is all about. Raast is a digital payments platform introduced by the government of Pakistan as part of its efforts to promote financial inclusion and digitalization of payments in the country. Raast is designed to enable fast, secure, and efficient real-time digital transactions between individuals, businesses, and government entities. It is a central clearing and settlement system that facilitates interbank transfers, bill payments, merchant payments, person-to-person, P2P, transfers, and government disbursements, among other transactions. Raast aims to replace the traditional paper-based payment methods such as cash, checks, and demand drafts with digital payments, which are faster, more secure, and more transparent. It is operated by the State Bank of Pakistan, the country's central bank, and is built on modern technology infrastructure to ensure robustness, reliability, and scalability. Raast is expected to play a significant role in promoting financial inclusion in Pakistan, as it enables individuals, particularly those in underserved and remote areas, to access digital financial services and participate in the formal economy. It also helps businesses to streamline their payment processes, reduce transaction costs, and improve cash flow management. Overall, Raast is a key initiative by the government of Pakistan to accelerate the adoption of digital payments and drive economic growth in the country. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and sharing knowledge. Keep sharing knowledge.